Ah, hello and welcome. It's a new day, everybody's hungry, let's make some food. You ever face that? No, never have. Okay, la 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 la. What do we got? I got some pans here because I've been cooking for 24 hours. That's right, it's the mythical Italian beef sandwich. The main ingredient to which is collagen. That's right, collagen and industrial kitchen equipment that we don't have. So, what do we got instead? Well, my butcher, who is delighting me lately, I almost swear he's watching this channel, but since nobody else does, who knows? With thin sliced beef. What do you do with that? Well, you put it in a pan with a big slug of oregano, big slug of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes, and a slug of that bottled garlic stuff that I'm always saying is insecticide. Yeah, there are times to use really strong flavors. Boil that up. Just a little bit. You want to cook the meat, but not stew it. Oh yeah, and a big slug of concentrated beef stock. And you end up with this, which is not going to show on YouTube. But it's a nice beef gravy that I could just drink with a straw. But the important thing is that after you cook the meat, well, not even fully cook, lightly boil the meat. Just enough to soften all that good stuff. You turn off the heat and put it in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Then you take it out and you make what is a borderline beef confit. So, in my pan here on the stove, I have the thin sliced beef. Yes, I'm leaning against the fridge. It's nice and cool on a hot day. Oh, hello, Mr. Fridge. So, I have the beef. I have some of that beef stock. I have some red wine. I have a big slug of butter. A lot of oregano and some more red pepper flakes. And that's on low. I am slowly cooking the beef in butter fat and wine. So it'll be nice and tender, but not boiled. Yes. Oh my heavens. Yeah. You do it like that, and you'll end up with a nice beef in broth that is going to be magnificent on a bun. Our local bakery, sourdough hoagie rolls, love you guys. You're making my life wonderful. What do you have with that? Well, here, which I actually cannot move easily, is an onion and bell pepper confit. I have an onion and a bell pepper slowly cooking in a lot of oil, olive oil and salt. A little bit of salt. You see these things on YouTube, you know, these videos. What nobody ever tells you is that it's just slow cooked in fat. Confit. Okay. Now, the jardiniere. The jardiniere I can buy in the market is horrible. At least in my opinion. You may have a different opinion. Congratulations, that's you, this is me. However, I recently discovered sliced tamed jalapeno peppers. I encourage you to get these. These have all the wonderful jalapeno taste and very little heat. And given the fact that the fluids the meat is cooking in contain a great deal of cayenne pepper, that's not such a bad thing. So that's dinner tonight. Meat I boiled lightly yesterday in a heavy stock of beef broth, oregano, garlic, and beef broth, oregano, and garlic. Oh yeah, and cayenne pepper. Briefly boiled until cooked, but not overcooked, and then refrigerated overnight to let the collagen set. That is what makes an Italian beef sandwich. The next day, pulled it out, put it in a pan with a little bit of that beef stock, some red wine, a lot of butter, some oregano, and yeah, that's about it. With that, I have cut up onion and bell pepper that are slowly cooking in fat, also known as olive oil. We have a jardiniere of sliced, tamed jalapeno peppers. If you're brave, don't get the tamed. But that's about it. I have sourdough hoagie rolls that I will be dipping liberally in the wonderful juices that are decorating my stovetop now. So, that's it. This is my rendition of the Italian beef sandwich with the most important ingredient, collagen. Let it sit overnight. So that's it. That's social media. Please be social. Subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.